Have you ever seen someone yawn and got infected by it? That strange reaction starts the moment your brain notices someone else yawning. Without warning, your brain copies what it sees, making the urge impossible to resist. Yawning spreads because special brain cells called mirror neurons imitate the actions of others. Inside the brain, these neurons trigger activity in brain regions linked to empathy, imitation, and automatic response. That's why in classrooms, offices, and crowds, one single yawn can spread through everyone in seconds. So the next time a yawn infects you, it's your brain proving how deeply humans are connected.